Unlock the power of cutting artificial intelligence completely free with Nano Banana AI and transform your content, automate tasks, and analyze data with ease. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to the Nano Banana AI website. You'll see a clear option to sign up for a free account. Just hit that button and follow the simple prompts to create your login credentials. It's quick, easy, and opens the door to a world of AI possibilities. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personalized Nano Banana AI dashboard. This is your central hub for all things AI. Notice the different sections: content creation, automation, and data analysis. Each offers a suite of powerful tools to help you achieve your goals. For content creators, the Content Creation Suite is a game changer. Let's say you need a blog post idea or some catchy social media captions. Simply select the text generator. Provide a brief prompt about your topic, and watch Nano Banana AI craft compelling content in seconds. You can also experiment with the image creator to generate unique visuals for your projects. But Nano Banana AI isn't just about content for those looking to boost productivity. The automation tools are invaluable. Imagine automating repetitive tasks like data entry or scheduling social media posts. Explore the automation features to set up custom workflows that save you time and effort, freeing you up for more strategic work. And for anyone working with information, the data analysis tools provide deep insights. Upload your datasets or input your data, and Nano Banana AI can help you identify trends, generate reports, and extract meaningful conclusions that might otherwise be hidden. This is perfect for understanding your audience or business performance. From brainstorming creative ideas and producing engaging written and visual content, to streamlining your daily operations and uncovering key insights from your data, Nano Banana AI empowers you to do more with less, all at no cost. So don't wait. Dive into Nano Banana AI today and experience the future of accessible artificial intelligence. The link is in the description below.